So this is Daniel from J-Tech. I'm going to be removing the tire from a rim and reassembling it. First thing we need to do is remove the Schrader valve from the valve stem to let the air out. Okay, once the air is out of the tire, now we need to use the machine here to break the bead off the rim. And when you're breaking the bead off the rim, you really want to get it to go in far enough that you actually see it pushes the tire back off the rim. You hear the pop. So first you want to break the bead from the front of the rim, and then you flip the tire around and break the bead on the back side of the rim also. Okay, once you're done breaking the bead, we're going to set it on the machine and lock the machine, or lock the rim onto the machine. Give it a couple pushes to make sure the tire is off the rim. Breaking our handle and lower it down so that the roller is on the rim, and lock it in place. Okay, take your bar, use the bigger flat side for regular size tires, the smaller size for high profile. Since it's a regular tire, we use the bigger side. We want to pull the lip. Okay, rotate the wheel till the top section is off. And now we need to pull the bottom rubber tire up over the lip. So you want to hold the tire up as you grab the bottom rubber of the tire to pull it up over the little lip of the machine to get it to roll off. Rotate the wheel around, and that is how you remove the tire from the rim. Okay, now put the tire back on the rim. First you loop the outside, but you loop the bead of the tire. Put your arm back inside, push your tire down onto the rim. And once you got the bottom on, now you got to get the top back below the edge of the rim. Make sure you push as you rotate it until the tire is back onto your rim. Then you can move your arm out the way. Grab your valve and get it ready. Get your air. And before you put air in the tire, you always want to check the sticker in the door panel to see how much PSI is recommended for the car. And with this one it was 34, so first fill the tire up with air. Not all the way, but you get it to a good amount, about 36. You remove it, put in your Schrader valve, screw it back in. Recheck your tire pressure. So I was a little over, so I had to bleed a little bit out. Okay, put the cap back on the valve stem. You would install a new valve stem. Put the cap back on, unhook it from the machine, and that is how you remove the tire, reassemble it.